Hello everyone, welcome to Uri Design Studio. Today we're gonna make a bowl and these are the materials you're gonna need. I'm gonna teach you to make it with a bowl maker and also without it. This is the ribbon I got. I got it at Hobby Lobby at 50% off. And I already cut the ribbon 56 inches long. I also cut a piece of wire and I put it across like this. Now you're gonna insert the ribbon through this hole, making a loop on each side. This length allows you to make 6 bunches on each side, or I should say 6 loops on each side. Just like this, pressing it down. Very simple to make. Now, after you're done, you press it down with this stick and then carefully you pull it up with the wire and you tie it down, just like this. Making sure that it's tight and secure. Now you fix the little tails and you start opening the loops like this. And making them fluffier like this. After you're completed with all of them, what we need to do is to cut the tails and we're done. I like to cut the tails in an angle like this. Let me use a better pair of scissors. Better. Nice, beautiful. So now I'm going to teach you how to make it without the bowl maker. Same length, 56 inches long. You're gonna need the wire and scissors. Let's cut the piece of wire first and have it ready for later. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to allow, or I should say I'm going to leave like 3 inches long, like right here for the tail, so I can start folding my ribbon this way, like in a zigzag, until I have 6 loops on each side. So now, let's make sure 6 on each side. Now you tie it in the middle, making sure that it's secure. Same thing, you're gonna open the loops, you spread them apart and you open them. to make them fluffier and beautiful. Much better. See the difference? Now we're gonna do this side. I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, please let me know. Add your comments. I will be glad to answer any questions. And now what we're gonna do is just cut the tails. As you can see, they're not even. I probably not calculated right, but it's okay. You can always trim them and make them even. And that's it. Thank you for watching.